Welcome back my friend in my new and very most important video. Because of that, if you have Motorola smartphone and if you have Motorola G75 5G and any Motorola smartphone do you have and you forget your Gmail ID account detail and you want to unlock your smartphone without entering the Gmail ID, so this video is especially for you. Because of that, in this video I am going to show you how can you unlock your smartphone without computer and without any software tool. In just only 5 minutes you can unlock any Motorola smartphone by using this amazing service center certified method. So let's start the video first. You can see here my friend, I have a Motorola smartphone and this is the latest Android version 15 and 16. So you have to complete watch this video till the end, and then at the time of the end you can unlock your smartphone. Okay, so first of all you have to only connect the charging cable. Okay, this is very important when you apply the unlocking method, especially offline method. And then after you have to remove your SIM tray. This is the first step to apply unlocking method, and in this service center this method is very popular. Okay, then after you have to change your region. Yes my friend, if your language is selected except English United States, so you have to select the English United States. Because of that, the Google is also from United States. Okay, so that's why you have to select the same. After that you have to open the emergency call option page here, and here you have to dial a very unique secret code, and the code is *#91103*0 and call this code. Done. Click OK, go back to the home screen, and then after you have to start your configuration as usual. So click the skip again here, and then after you have to click a skip option and a new page will open after that. So ensure that you have to connect your smartphone with the internet or Wi-Fi. This is very important. Then after go back and find this Motorola privacy policy setting, and then after open this, wait for a few seconds, and then this page will open. So you have to select the last option and go down till the end and find this motorola.com/support. So you have to select this and wait for only few seconds. Click OK. If this option comes, so go back again, do the same thing, go to the last option motorola.com. If again this will happen, so go back and check your Wi-Fi network is working or not, your internet is working or not. You have to check that. Okay, click use my Google account instead here, and then this internet is working. So go back and again go back to the home screen and start your configuration from the scratch. Okay, click a skip and do the same thing. If you also facing this type of issue, click Motorola privacy policy, and maybe at this time this page will open successfully, but not. Don't worry at all. Click OK, click go back and open the last option again. Click submit a privacy request to the Motorola and wait, and you can see here at this time internet will working now. Okay, so click the I am not robot, select the buses, click next, again click the motorcycle, click next, and again you have to select the motorcycle. This is very important, and click I am not robot, and again you have to do the same thing, click next. This is very important my friend. This setup is very important. Okay, after that click here yes and select your region to English United States. Okay, click yours. You have to select any a state name here. Click. Just second. Any select you have to setting. But you can see here this will not open. Then zoom this page. Click Motorola. Okay, click Motorola again. If this will not working, so click done. Click again Motorola privacy policy. Go to the last option and click motorola.com/support. Click OK. Click done. Go back, and open your emergency calls only option here and dial *555*20201 *812 and hash and call this code. Done. Click OK. Wait for 3 seconds, and when 3 seconds completed, go back and start your configuration as usual. So click start, and at this time you have to insert the SIM tray. Okay, click skip again, click more, click accept and continue. And done. You can see here this skip message is appear now after using this service center offline method tool. So you have to click this skip only and click skip again to unlock this Motorola smartphone. Click skip again, a skip message, and done. Go to down, click accept, and you can now remove the charging cable. Then after click OK, and boom, your smartphone is unlocked now by using this service center offline method tool. Click note now, note now, note now again, note now again, and done. Click the next button here, select your preferred setting, and if you have any queries regarding this, comment us with your specific Motorola model name. Then after our team will reply within 5 to 10 seconds, so that you will be also able to start your any Motorola smartphone. Okay, so you have to only comment your model name number, and then after you will reach the final reply from us. Okay, go back, click go to my home screen, and done. Your Motorola smartphone is unlocked now by using this amazing method. So comment us your specific Motorola model name. Then after our team will reply very soon. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.